evening, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, today, as you can see, I'm starting my Vlogmas in the evening. So it is almost 6 o'clock. You see, it's dark outside. It is Vlogmas day 5, y'all. We are on day 5. I cannot believe how fast these days are going by. Okay, so we're starting the vlog late today, but I still vlogged through the day. I just didn't do this introduction because, y'all, like I said, I'm gonna keep it real all this month. I'm gonna tell you exactly what happened. So yesterday I was editing when I thought I was done at like almost 4 a.m. I noticed that I made a mistake. I had to take that video down, redo some things, and put it back again, which took me another hour and a half or so. So I honestly went to sleep after 5 a.m. last night. And it is taking a toll on me because we're usually going to bed by like 8, 9. We're already like going towards the bedroom, and like, you know, and even if we stay in bed and something, you know, not we, because they fall asleep immediately. My husband falls asleep as soon as he hits the pillow. Me, I can stay on my phone, on YouTube, whatever, a little bit longer. So I woke up delirious today. I'll be very honest. I slept for just a few hours, and then I woke up, you guys, and so I didn't even do this introduction because I was so tired. I couldn't even talk. But this is what we did today. We went to Target. We had to buy a little gift for a 4-year-old little girl. So I'm taking you guys to Target to see the Christmas section and what they have to offer. We're not gonna do much. I don't want to spend 6 to 8 hours editing again. It's gonna be a short vlog, short, sweet, and to the point. That the garland that I said we're gonna do today, it's not gonna happen, y'all. It's not gonna happen. We're going to do it tomorrow. It's okay. It's Sunday. We spent a little bit of family time. We went to eat, you know, things like that, and kind of took it a little bit easier. Anyways, y'all, you know what? Let me show you what we did through the day. Like I said, it's gonna be short, sweet, to the point. I hope you guys like it. Let's get started. Ooh, Justin loves this, so I'm gonna get one of these for him. Soft peppermint pop candy. I know I got one time from the Dollar Tree. He's like, oh, nothing better than I don't know how he called it, but he didn't like them so much, so I'm gonna get him this one. These are $5.99. So James really wanted a candy cane the other day, so I'm gonna get him one of this. And he wanted a marshmallow, so I'm getting him a sugared marshmallow. White chocolatey coated. Yes, he's gonna love this too. Then I'm gonna get them a couple of this. I know they like this pepperminty thing. So how much is it? The 12 ounce. This is $10. $10.99. Okay. Then I'm gonna get some of this. You guys remember I have this one at home. Do you guys see not much left here at all actually? Well, they do have some, but I like this one. But we have one actually already, so empty, almost empty, y'all. It's almost empty. It's crazy. Thank God I don't need anything really, but I am looking for some big ornaments. Okay guys, now we're in an area for girls. We have our neighbor across the street from us. Their little girl is turning 4. We won't make it to the birthday party, unfortunately, but I still want to get her a gift. And all she said is that she's very girly. Gosh, I don't have girls, y'all, so you know this is gonna be a little tough for me. And I'm not that girly myself, so I guess lots of pink will look well. We really wanted to go to the Disney store, but it was packed, absolutely packed. Ooh, this is pretty cute. It's a princess party. Wait, what ages? What ages? Ages 3 to 10, is it? Or 3 to 103? I'm just kidding. not much selection, y'all, and I want something. Okay, this is girly. Y'all, how about this? Isn't this girly, y'all? This is the big one. This might be too big for her. She's only 4. But this, okay, perfect. How about we pick this? Y'all, I am, so, like I said, I don't have girls, so it's really tough for me. But I think this is so cute. Actually, I think this is pretty adorable, y'all. Don't you think so? Removable shoes. Yes. Okay, let's go get her a nice. We're gonna have to wrap it up nicely. So let's do this. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Yo, I just found this blanket over here. It doesn't have a price or anything, but oh my god, I'm gonna put it in my cart to see how much this is because I think it's so cute. And look how soft it is. Forky for my child. Matthew likes Toy Story. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, you guys, we're going home. So I went to Target. We went to eat quickly. We went to eat at the Chinese buffet. Y'all, I don't know if you know that about me, but I'm obsessed with Chinese buffets. We actually all are. If Justin
all are not
what?
obsessed with Chinese buffets.
But we always go. Wait, tell me then why you always go?
For you.
Oh, Justin, if you would ever ask me, Marta, do you want to go to a fancy restaurant or Chinese buffet? What would I pick?
Chinese buffet.
Chinese buffet every day. So they want this. Justin, is this an imposter one or is it a good one?
Definitely an imposter one, but we'll eat it the same.
This is an imposter peppermint bark?
It's definitely not the whole one we like.
It's not the Ghirardelli one. Nobody stole your wreaths. Justin, what is this? Oh my god, I didn't know they come like this. Guys, I didn't know that they come like this. I thought that they come in little pieces. And they're what, 4? What is this?
We're more than the turbo.
$10 for this wreath.
$10 on that?
Yeah.
You could have got me peppermint kisses.
I think
$1 a bag.
Come here, I'm gonna give you peppermint kisses. Come here, give me a peppermint kiss. Come here, give me a peppermint kiss. Okay guys, so let me show you quickly. You already saw me getting this from Target. I did end up going with this paper right here. So we're gonna wrap this up and we're gonna take it to them. It's across the street, you guys, from us. Like I said, unfortunately, we're not going to make it there. We weren't because we're so busy today. But I still want their little girl to have, you know, a gift from us. So I got her this card. Birthday girl, you're 4. Birthdays are for magic and for wishes coming true. With presents, cake, and lots of fun for special girls like you. Have an enchanting first birthday. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna sign this and wrap it up nicely and take it to them. I got this for little Matthew because Matthew is absolutely obsessed with Toy Story. So I saw this and Matthew wasn't even with me. Matthew didn't even ask for it. I saw it, I'm like, oh my god, because I love Toy Story too. So I got this. What do we have in here? We have Woody. We have James. What's the girl's name? The cowboy girl name? Jessie. And then we have Buzz Lightyear. We have Forky. We're not Buzz Lightyear. Okay. And what's the name of this dinosaur? The green one. Rex. Okay. You already guys saw all the sweets I got from here and stuff like this. Oh, yes. So remember in the store I told you that I saw this. There was a cart there with things that probably did not have tags or whatever. I don't know, because I found this, you know, this one in that cart too. It wasn't someone's cart, so don't think I was stealing things from someone's cart. But anyway, I saw this and you guys have no idea how fluffy this is. So this one, they couldn't find the price, and the guy came, the manager came. He's like, you know what? It's so crazy in the store right now. I think this was like $39.99 because this is an oversized one, or something, or $49.99. I don't know what he said. He's like, but I don't know if we even have more in stock. I'll give it to you for 15. I'm like, sold. So I got this for 15 bucks. How nice is this? And we're gonna keep it here. And we're going to keep it here in this room, you know, to cozy up in here when we're watching TV. Matthew, do you like it? Hi, you like your toys?
Not good.
Do you like your toys? Toy.
I can tell you from 3 bites that this chocolate right here is called the headache maker.
Look at them, just eating chocolates, both of them. Okay. Matyushenka, you like your toys? Look who's coming for candy.
No.
What's in here?
Oh.
Do you want
to see? Knock on the door any second.
Mom said she'll put you to bed so you can have plenty.
No. He's like, Mom said she'll put you to bed so you can have plenty of chocolate. No, he can't. Hey, you're not giving him chocolate, are you? Because as soon as his bedtime.
Do you want to eat some chocolate, man? Get wired out of your gourd. You can run around like Taz. I'm not your dad, but I'll still hang out with you. Do you want to eat some chocolate? Maybe just a little chocolate. Go ahead.
That's not okay. Now he's crying because he wants the chocolate. Come here, baby.
Give him a little bite.
Give him just a little tiny bite.